What is China's flat robot technology? Thin, motorized platforms designed to move vehicles automatically. Common in cities like Shanghai, Beijing, and Shenzhen, born from the need to maximize parking efficiency in crowded cities. Inspired by automated warehouses like those used by global giants. How fast is 10 seconds really? It takes less time than ordering a coffee in Beijing's street cafes. Time-lapse comparison with manual parking methods. Essential for cities where space is gold. Like Hong Kong, reduces congestion in busy urban centers. Why flat robots? The genius designed slim enough to fit under sedans and SUVs, equipped with 360-degree sensors who avoid damage. Used in places with luxury vehicles like Shanghai's financial districts. Battery-powered and fully remote-controlled. The role of AI in moving your car. Smart navigation to find optimal parking spots. Instant obstacle detection using AI mapping. Weather adaptive, works rain or shine in cities like Guangzhou. Self-correcting precision for millimeter-perfect parking, where you'll see this in action shopping malls in Shenzhen. Airports like Beijing Daxing International, residential complexes in Chengdu. Business hubs like Guangzhou's Zhujiang New Town. Efficiency, saving time and money increases parking capacity by 40% to 60%. Reduces land use costs in urban real estate. Ideal for high-traffic zones like Hong Kong Central District. Helps drivers avoid endless parking searches. Security concerns and safety measures, built-in locking mechanisms to prevent theft. CCTV and real-time monitoring in robot garages. Alarm systems triggered during unauthorized movements, popular for luxury car owners in cities like Macau. Eco-friendly benefits, reduces car idling and emissions. Optimizes space, limiting land consumption. Electric-powered robots mean zero direct pollution. Promoted as part of China's green urbanization efforts. How does it compare globally? China leads, but similar trials in Tokyo and Dubai. Faster adoption in Chinese smart cities. Western cities, like New York and London, are testing prototypes. Unique adaptation to China's dense population challenges. Challenges of the flat robot system: high initial installation costs, maintenance complexity for mechanical parts. Requires precision engineering in busy cities, like Wuhan. Adapting to oversized vehicles, like pickup trucks in rural China. Future upgrades in the pipeline: AI learning to predict peak parking times. Solar-powered robots under development. Integration with autonomous vehicles. Smart city blueprints incorporating robot parking hubs in Hangzhou. In China, 10 seconds is all it takes. Could your city be next? Comment below where you think robot parking should be launched first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more future tech insights every week.